Weight loss supplements are everywhere, but finding one that's backed by quality ingredients and realistic expectations can be challenging. Selerb MetaBurn is a dietary supplement designed to support appetite control, metabolism, and daily energy rather than promising overnight results. But is it the right choice for women in 2026? In this review, we'll take a closer look at what Selerb MetaBurn offers, its key ingredients, potential benefits, and a few things you should know before deciding to try it. Let's get started. According to the manufacturer, Selerb MetaBurn is formulated to help support healthy metabolism, reduce cravings, and promote steady energy throughout the day. Instead of relying on high doses of stimulants, it combines several ingredients commonly found in metabolism support supplements. Some of the main ingredients include berberine, green tea extract, chromium picolinate, cinnamon extract, apple cider vinegar powder, bitter melon, ashwagandha, and vitamin B12. These ingredients are included to support healthy glucose metabolism, appetite balance, energy production, and overall wellness. One feature the company highlights is its stimulant-free approach. Unlike some weight loss products that rely on large amounts of caffeine, Selerb MetaBurn is designed to provide metabolic support without causing jitters or energy crashes. It's also important to keep realistic expectations. No dietary supplement can replace a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and healthy lifestyle habits. While some users may notice reduced cravings or improved energy, individual results can vary, and weight loss is influenced by many different factors. Before starting any supplement, it's a good idea to speak with your healthcare provider, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, have a medical condition, or take prescription medications. Some of the ingredients may interact with certain medicines. Another advantage is that the product is manufactured in the United States, and the company states that it is third-party tested, non-GMO, and gluten-free. The manufacturer also offers a money-back guarantee for eligible purchases. So, is Selerb MetaBurn one of the best weight loss pills for women in 2026? It may be worth considering if you're looking for a supplement that focuses on appetite support and metabolic health without heavy stimulants. However, it's important to remember that no supplement guarantees weight loss, and the best results typically come from combining healthy eating, regular exercise, and long-term lifestyle changes. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or experience with Selerb MetaBurn.